we're here at Elk Grove Hearing Care, and I'm trying to remember why, actually, because Amy, who's one of the co-owners that we're going to meet in a minute from Elk Grove Hearing Care, she emailed us at some point during some discussion to say, if you guys ever want to come get your hearing tested, we'll do it. And I know, by the way, I know that you're thinking a video of people getting their hearing tested. Trust us, it's going to be interesting and compelling, plus you're going to be able to laugh at all of us, I'm sure, and see just how potentially deaf we really are. Brandon, get the door.
Thank you so much.
Dawn, you're
such a gentleman.
Back there. So, okay, so first of all, who the heck are you guys?
We are Elk Grove Hearing Care. I am an audiologist, so I have a doctorate in audiology.
Wow. So okay, we were going to ask about qualifications because we were worried you like just take an online course.
Just an online course.
Open up shop.
No.
So are you a doctor?
I'm not an MD, so it's a clinical doctorate in audiology, not an
It's still a lot of dothing.
Yeah. Still a lot of college, yeah.
All right, so what are you guys going to do to us?
We are going to test your hearing, first of all, and see where you're at.
Is this like what we did in school? Like the bell tone, like beep?
Part of it, yeah. We do that. We do a little more. We do some testing to see how your eardrums are moving, make sure you have a reflex in your middle ear, and then check on speech understanding. So we'll test you
I'm out.
in quiet. We'll test you with background noise.
What's the process?
So whoever's going to go first, I'm going to take you into the sound-treated booth, and we will get started on the hearing test. But we got to do that one at a time.
Ladies first.
Ladies first.
I'll do it. I want to get it over with.
Okay.
I'm nervous. Wait, can I go to the bathroom first?
Oh, for God's sakes.
Right away, there's a delay.
Okay, so come on in.
Stop it. Don't make me nervous.
You have super duper duper tiny ear canals.
Oh, sure, that's tiny.
I know, right?
My ear canals. Way to go.
None of her other canals are tiny.
Oh my God.
What this is going to do is give me information about your eardrums, make sure they're moving normally. Then we're checking for a reflex in your ear.
It's like I flatlined at the end. I died.
Yeah, those higher pitches, a little harder to get your reflex going.
Yeah.
We were thinking all the zeros meant it was an IQ test. Yes, joke landed.
All right, well, this is the fun part you remember from school probably. That's your button here. No. So I'm gonna put these squishy things in your ears, have you listen for lots of beeping sounds. Every time you hear one, hit the button for me.
Okay.
Well, the thing with Dawn is everything's a competition, so we're just gonna dive right in and try to screw her test up.
All right. I'm gonna up the ante, whatever y'all do.
Listen harder. So is that what she's hearing?
The volume is changing for her, so this is the tone she's hearing, but it's much softer.
And then her job is to tell you she's hearing it?
By clicking the button. So right now she's doing awesome.
Why does that make me sad?
You'd be lucky to do as well as she's doing. And so this notch, this V shape we're gonna get, very consistent with noise-induced hearing loss.
So we're all gonna have a big V, basically.
Yay. Okay, for the last part, we're gonna have you listen to words.
Oh no.
Okay, so these words are gonna get really soft, so you won't hear all of them, but go ahead and repeat back what you heard.
Oh God.
It's okay to take a guess.
Damn it.
There are not dirty words that are presented, just as an FYI.
Great, I could have had a chance.
Yeah, drug references, no. So.
You're not gonna have her say any cultural words, are you?
No cultural words.
Oh my God.
God, I hope one of the words isn't bigger.
Northwest.
What about her inability to talk?
Mushroom.
Make her say werewolf. Nightmare.
Doormat.
Celery.
Should we be memorizing these, or are these the same ones we'll get?
Greyhound.
Playground.
I'm just gonna randomly say greyhound at some point.
Hot dog.
Or every time.
Good.
Hot house.
Something house.
Stairway. Say the word nag.
Nag.
Say the word limb.
Limb.
Okay, so for the very last part, I'm gonna have you listen to a lady's voice, and this time she's going to have a lot of background noise while she's talking. She's going to say a sentence, and I'd like you to repeat back the whole thing if you can.
Yeah.
If you miss some of the words and you only catch a few of them, go ahead and say what you heard, even if it doesn't make any sense, okay?
A cruise in warm waters in a sleek yacht is fun.
A cruise in warm waters in a sleek yacht is fun.
Why is that so funny?
It's not fun. Is that not fun?
Occupied territory. Just a waste
This is like getting a Vox from my wife.
Territories and
It's important to test, as most people with hearing loss, the biggest trouble they have is in background noise.
Yeah.
done before the
You're done! Yay! That was fun.
So fun.
We learned that you have a giant V. That'll make sense
hell?
when you
Okay.
watch, but we already knew that, so.